1st of February we received the first draft, and that's when I requested changes to be made because I just felt like everything was squashed into the kohatu and it just looked pathetic. It looked like we were reading a page out of a book. So we done some changes, and then from there the communication just went sporadic.
I had like an outsider's view on the situation because for the rest of my whānau, they're all here, whereas I'm in Australia, so I had a more logical view on the situation.
If you want a refund, we can do a refund. I don't know when I can get that refund to you, but we can do a refund. And I was like, that's just a slap in the face, because if we're talking refund or any type of compensation, we're now talking about not only the cost of the headstone, but there's also expenses that are also involved that have already been invested into this. Tears the past week, especially from me, but I'm over that tear stage now. It's anger.